Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto updates for Windows 10. So basically you might have been running your computer, then you realize that your computer is slow and you have someone suggested to you to disable the auto updates, or you don't want to be bothered with that. So you have to watch this video. So first of all, you will have to go to your search tab, you click on the corner and you type services. You click on it 2 times to open it, and you have to wait a bit. Let's make this window bigger. So here we will search by the word W. We will look for Windows Updates. Should be on the top, is this one. So here we will click on Windows Update 2 times, and here we will click Disable, and we will click Apply. So for me it stopped. So if it's suggesting to you to stop it, you can always click Stop, and then you click OK. And as you can see now, the updates are disabled and Windows will not be making any updates in the background until you enable it again. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always contact us via comment or via email. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial. If you like this video, please press like, share and subscribe, because this is how you encourage us to continue with more.